In our previous lessons, you learned the first two patterns for making nouns plural in German. The first one is to change the article to die, so das Fenster, the window, becomes die Fenster, the windows. For the second pattern, you learned how to add an I, der Freund, die Freunde, and part of that second pattern was also add an umlaut and an I, so der Stuhl, the chair, die Stühle, the chairs, notice the umlaut plus the I. In this lesson, we are going to learn the third pattern, which is add an ER or umlaut ER. So we're just going to focus on adding the ER in this lesson. So the child, das Kind, how would you say the children? You know you have to change das to die, so it's die, and then add the ER. Die Kinder, das Kind, the child. Die Kinder, das Kind. Notice the pronunciation of the D here, Kind. The children, die Kinder. Das Kind, die Kinder. Let's look at an example. The child plays or the child is playing. So this is a verb in the present tense which can mean both of these, either plays or is playing. The child, das Kind. The child plays or is playing. Spielt. Das Kind spielt. The child plays, the child is playing. Das Kind spielt. Now let's work with the plural noun. The children play or the children are playing. So das Kind becomes die Kinder. Die Kinder, the children play, the children are playing. Die Kinder spielen. Die Kinder spielen. Okay, so remember, das Kind, to make it plural, you change the das to a die, and then this is the pattern where you add the ER. So the children becomes die Kinder. All right, that's it. So remember your three patterns. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.